There's a scene in the Harry Potter movies where Harry is talking to Sirius Black through a fire pit, and I want to try to see if I can create that same effect in Canva. So I'm going to go to the left-hand side and select videos. First thing we're going to do is search for a fire pit, and I really like this video here. I'm just going to drag it onto my design page and adjust the size of this fire pit. Now, if you have your own fire pit video, you can also use that as well. So it looks pretty good for this video that I'm trying to make here. Next thing I'm going to do is find a talking head. And again, if you have your own custom talking head of yourself or someone else, you can substitute that there. And I'm just going to go ahead and use this thing as an example here. So what I can do, since it has this white background, I'm just going to go ahead and try to remove that background here by clicking on background remover. And so I removed the background, and this is a pro feature. So if you're on the free plan, you have to upgrade to the pro plan to be able to remove the background of your talking head. So I'm going to make the video the same length as this talking head here. And so I now have this talking head. I can readjust the size of this talking head. And I'm going to also go ahead and adjust the transparency of this by going to the top, clicking transparency, and adjusting the transparency levels to the level that I want until I see fit. So I think maybe right around here is a good transparency level. So if I play the video itself, preview. So this is kind of what I'm shooting for, where Sirius Black, I think it was in the 5th movie, he was talking to Harry through the fire pit. So obviously, if you just substitute the fire pit with your own fire pit and this talking dragon head with a human face, then you can also create that same effect in Canva. So if you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave it down in the comment section below. If you enjoy my videos, consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you and have a great day.